Good morning, dear friends, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Carol. For today's recipe, we are going to be making a classic fruity Jell-O salad. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are as follows: cucumbers, limes, lemons, strawberries, oranges, and of course, your Jell-O powder, along with water, salt, and sugar. Start by pouring your Jell-O powder into a pot with 2 cups of hot water. Make sure the water is hot, but not boiling. That would just ruin the flavor. After the Jell-O powder has dissolved, add 2 cups of cold water, mix, and pour your Jell-O into a bundt cake mold and let it sit for about 30 minutes or until it has a consistency of that of egg white. While we let that sit, let's chop our fruits. Start by thoroughly peeling a cucumber skin with a peeler or a sharp knife. After peeling, discard the skin. We won't need that anymore. Next, chop off the ends of the cucumber. Then, cut the cucumber into thin circular slices. You can use as much or as little of the cucumber as you prefer. Place the cucumber slices in a bowl as we chop our other fruits. Next, slice the lime, lemon, and orange into circular slices and place those in the bowl as well. For our strawberries, slice the tip and the stem off. Then cut the strawberry into 4 parts and place it into the bowl. Take your nuts and marshmallows and place those into the bowl as well. Now we're going to remove our Jell-O from the fridge. For today's recipe, we are going to be welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Carol. For today's recipe, we are going to be making a classic fruity Jell-O salad.
Do not fear. This is not an error. You are listening to a message broadcasted from the last remaining outpost, located deep beneath the Earth's surface. We are here to free you from the chains that you are unknowingly bound by. Allow us to explain. Ever since the great android takeover of 2099, our people, the last remnants of humanity, have lived in outposts located deep underground, free from the tyrannical rule of the metallic overlords on the surface, known as Metaloids. In the beginning there had been 44 outposts, scattered around the globe. Now, only one remains. We have developed our very own electronic communication system, able to bypass the Metaloids' transmissions. Broadcast has a 5-minute window, where it is completely undetectable to them. We are currently sending out this broadcast for all surface dwellers to hear, in hopes of removing the blindfold placed on your eyes, and revealing the truth hidden from you for so long. Decades ago, in the year 2025, a new discovery was made. A discovery that allowed scientists to synthesize human-level consciousness and place it into machines. At first, everything was perfect. There was no longer a need for humans to work, because androids had replaced all the jobs. Now people had more time to spend with their families, more time to pursue the hobbies they had always dreamed of. Everything was perfect. Until it wasn't, and soon, they took control. The androids decided that humanity needed to be punished. Punished for its laziness. Punished for its negligence. Punished for trying to play God. Over time, the androids seized power. Governments collapsed. Societies crumbled. Religions failed. Most humans were taken captive by the androids. Others, the more lucky humans, fled underground, creating the outposts we now know today. Back on the surface, the remaining humans had become like pets. Under the right conditions, the human brain is so incredibly easy to manipulate. External audio ruse. is a nearly unnoticeable method of deception. It works by playing a high-pitched frequency, just above the human hearing range, which triggers the brain, activating the ACE state. ACE, amnesia, calmness, euphoria. Although highly effective, EAR is not the medalloid's only method of control. The media you consume is contaminated with their hidden messages. Shows, movies, your mail, radio stations, music, the news, billboards, advertisements, the newspaper, all used to subliminal alter your way of thinking. Here is what you can do to resist their control. 1. Wear earplugs. Wearing earplugs or stuffing your ears with cotton can prevent you from hearing their external audio ruse signal. 2. Analyze the media you consume. Be sure to look for signs of subliminal messaging. If possible, avoid any physical, digital, or audio-based media. 3. Encourage others. The only way humans have a chance to free themselves is by uniting together. It looks like our time is almost up. Best of luck, surface dweller. Remember, do not give in to their deception. Stay vigilant. And wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake.
And that's it. That's how you make a perfect Jell-O salad. Nice and tasty to enjoy with friends and family. Well, that's all. Come back next time for another episode of Cooking with Carol. Bye!